Yeah, so here you can see that it is from small to big, so we have to do division. So I will divide it and it will come. So no need to write 0 if it is come at the above before the digit, it will come, no need to write it. So I will write it as 1.2, and where I have to convert this into, I have to convert into minutes, so I will write here minute. So this is clear. You have to convert for or to minute or minute to second. Everything we have to do with 60. If it is from big to small, multiply by 60. If it is from small to big, divide by 60. And also one thing, then at the end, like I write here minute, and then we have to see that where we have to convert, like I have to convert this into minute, so I will write here minute. The last their demands, we have to write here the thing that they demand from us. Yes. So likewise, see in your page number 26. In page number 26, there are some examples also, like 85 seconds, you have to convert this into minutes. Like also this is from small to big. For small to big, you have to do division and divide it by 60. 85 number you will drop down and you will write same, and you have to divide it by 60. Then the answer will come. You have to write the answer, and then because you have to convert in minutes, then you will write answer and in minutes. Okay, understand? Hope you understand. And right, and the next question, question number 3, you have to convert, like you have to draw second hand on another clock. You know where is the second hand? In that question, the second hand is a lighter one. You have to draw the second hand 20 seconds later. Wherever the second hand, you have to count the lines, and then you have to draw the second hand 20 seconds after, like after the lines. And here in the next page, in page number 27, you can see you have to draw the minute hand 30 minutes earlier. It means you have to draw the minute hand like before you have to count early, not after that. You have to count the minute hand, like the minute hand is at 2. You have to start counting before the 2. Like the minute hand will come on 9. Likewise. So question number 4, you have to do it by yourself. And then there is another page 28 in which there are notations. For notations, I will teach you how you can do this. On page number 28 of your worksheets, you can see there are 2 types of notation in a clock. First one, we have 12 hours notation, and the second notation, we have 24 notation. In 12 hour notation, in this type of notation, there are A dot M dot. See how I am writing this AM. A dot M dot, or P dot M dot, it means PM. For the day and we use AM, and for the night we use PM. So in a analog clock, as you can see in this analog clock, there are from 1 to 12 hours. So how you can observe that this, like if it is 2 o'clock, how you can observe that this 2 o'clock is for night or evening? It's very difficult to know. That's why we have AM. If we write 2 o'clock, like 2 a.m., it means at the morning. If it is 2 p.m., it means at the evening. For the analog clock, we have AM or PM. But this 24-hour notation, in which the type of notation there is no use of AM or PM, it must written in 24-hour format. Like if there is 5 PM, it means we know that it is evening. But what we can write, if it is PM, we have to do addition 12 plus 5. It means 17:00. I mean it is 17 o'clock. If it is 17 o'clock, it means there is something in evening. So for example, see this clock, like after 12, you can see 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and this is 24 hour format. In the 24-hour format, why it is 00? Because in 24-hour format, at the time of 24, the clock finished. After 24 there is no 25. So after 12 we can say it as 13. It means from 1 to 12 it's for morning, but after 12, 13, 14 it's for evening. So whenever you can see that 13 o'clock, it means 1 o'clock and it means evening. 13 means afternoon, 14 means afternoon. Like you can observe this without using AM or PM. So how you can observe it easily? For example, if you have 7 PM, what you can like 7 PM, and I want you to convert this 7 PM into 24-hour format. How you will do? If it is PM, you have to simply write 12 plus that 7. Then you got the 24-hour format. Like and then an example for you. You can see that, you can see that these are example. Convert these into 24-hour notation. I will give you some question. You have to convert these into 24-hour notation. It is 4 o'clock, but it's PM. Whenever you see it's PM, what you have to do is you have to write simply 12. Okay, because it's PM, so you will write here 12 simply, and then if it is 4, you have to do addition with 4. If it is 5, you have to write here 5. Any number will come here, you have to write here, and if it is PM, you have to drop the 12. Then you have to do addition. It will be come out in a 24-hour format. It means 16. 16 means it's a time in like evening or afternoon, like this. Okay, but here you can see that I said that you have to convert this 7 o'clock AM into 24-hour format. So the answer will come same, because you can see that AM. If it is AM, you can't write here 12. You have to simply write the same number as it is before. And see what I write here, AM, or how you can write A dot M. This is the format of writing AM. You can't write AM bus. You have to write A dot M dot P dot M dot. So this is how you can write this AM or PM. So in page number 28 and 29 of your worksheet, you can see that there is question number 5. They said remove AM or PM from these time and write these numbers in 24-hour notation. So you have to write the time in 24 notation. So question number 1, 4 o'clock PM. Whenever you see PM, you have to drop 12 and then add the number 12. Likewise, you have to write 12 and then you have to plus with that number. It will come in 24-hour format. Like 540, you have to write 12 plus 5.40. The answer will come on 5 plus 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 17.40. Okay, then like 840, you have to do 12 plus 840. Yes, 20 plus 840, like 7 o'clock, 12 plus 7, what will be the answer? 12 plus 7? Yes, 19. So this is the format you have to write in 24-hour notation. And also you have to write the time zone as 002059 instead of AM or PM. For this question number 6, you will do the same. If it is on AM, you have to write like 2 o'clock AM. We can write it as 2. Here you can write it as like this simply. And here you have to write 0 also, because 2 numbers here, 2 numbers here. It means 2 o'clock. No need to write this. And here you can say, and no need to write this also. So it will come simply as 0200. Yeah. For PM, like there is a question 430, you have to do 12 plus 430. Yeah, so the answer will be 16. The answer will be 16, and here you have to write 30. Yes. So these things you have to follow to do the questions. So this is the last segment for converting months to days or years to months. So let's see this video. Yeah, for the years, months or days, first of all we have years in the calendar, and then months, and then days. Year is the biggest one, then months will come, and then days will come. So in one year, like big to small, we are doing multiplication, and from small to big we will do division. Likewise we are doing with minutes or hour. Like in one year there are 12 months, and in one month there are 30 days. So we have to multiply by 12 for converting 1 year to months. Like I have 2 years, I have to convert this into months. I have to multiply it by 12. If I have some months I want to convert into days, I will multiply by 30. Likewise, if I have days and I want to convert into months, it means days to month, small to big, I will do division by 30. And from months to year, opposite, I will do division by 12. So in this page number 126 of your textbook, you will see that there are some questions that you have to answer it. They said 4 years. It means 48 months. How? Because 4 multiplied by 12. Likewise, they said 2 years we have to convert into months. So year to months, it means big to small. I have to do multiplication, and then for multiplication, then years to month, it means in 1 year there are 12 months. Multiply by 12 and the number will come exactly. I will write here 2, and then in 1 year there are 12 months. Then I have to do multiplication. Then 12 times 2, it means 24. It means 24 months in 2 years. Yes. Likewise, you have to do this question, and then you have to do this one also. 5 years we have to convert into months. Yes. So this is the end of the video 1. So after that video, these are the some outcomes. Like you have to do page number 24 to 30 and textbook 126 and 127 by yourself. You have to do it, and that's it. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you.